Data analysis with Python 0 to Pandas is a practical, beginner-friendly and coding-focused introduction to data analysis. This is a live online course and you can earn a verified certificate of accomplishment by completing this course. If you are interested in learning data science with Python but don't know where to start, then this course is designed just for you. You can learn more and register at 0topandas.com. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently use the Python programming language and its amazing ecosystem of data science libraries, like NumPy for mathematical and statistical computing, Pandas for data processing and analysis, Matplotlib for creating beautiful visualizations, and much more. You will get a chance to practice and improve your skills with weekly assignments, and you will also work on an end-to-end course project where you will perform data analysis on a large real-world dataset. This is a beginner-friendly course, so you don't need to have any prior knowledge of Python or data science. Some basic programming knowledge will be helpful, but don't worry if you don't know programming. You can learn these concepts with a little extra effort. You will also get access to the course community forum where you can ask questions, join a study group, and share what you're working on during the course. This course is created by Cbon.ml. I have been using Python for the last 12 years. You can find me on Twitter on @Archinus. Now, a quick overview of the course before we get into it. 0 to Pandas is a coding-first introduction to data analysis using Python. We will be talking about data analysis. We will write code, and through code we will learn whatever mathematical concepts we need. All the material will be available to you, so you can try it out. You will also get some assignments where you can practice these concepts. And if you complete all the assignments and exercises, then you will earn a certificate of accomplishment. So this is what the certificate looks like, the certificate offered by Cbon.ml. Now let's take a look at the course curriculum. Today we are going to talk about Introduction to Programming with Python. We will cover the parts that are necessary to start doing some data analysis. Then we will move on to the NumPy library. NumPy is used for numerical computation in Python. We will see how to perform statistics with NumPy. Next, we will analyze tabular data using Pandas. You can think of it like working with spreadsheets, but instead of the user interface, you will write some code, just a few lines of code, and it is far more powerful than spreadsheets. Then the lecture is dedicated to data visualization with Matplotlib and Cbon. These are two great libraries for visualization. You can draw different types of graphs, line graphs, bar graphs, heat maps. We will also learn how to use it, when to use it, which type of graph to use. And finally, we will bring all this together to do exploratory data analysis of a real-world dataset. We will first learn to ask the right questions about the data. We will identify the right tools for the job. Then we will also learn, after doing your analysis, how do you present it. So storytelling and presentation is a very important component that is often overlooked. So we will focus on that. There's a lot of material we will cover, and we will cover it gradually. So don't worry, even if you're at a beginner level, if you just know a little bit of programming, you should still be able to catch up. And there will be weekly assignments. Here you will get to practice your skills and learn by doing. You will also be able to get help from the community. And then there is a course project at the end, something that brings everything together where you will get to work on an end-to-end project involving a real-world dataset that is picked by you. You will get a chance to apply all the tools and techniques that you've learned in this course. The goal of this course project and this entire course is to create something that you can proudly showcase as your own original work on your professional profile. You have to submit all the weekly assignments, you have to complete the course project, and you have to follow the academic honesty policy, which essentially is no plagiarism. That is, do not take somebody else's work and claim credit for it. Let's get started then. Now the course page is 0topandas.com. This course page contains all the information about the course. You can go through the details here. There are some links here. There's a link to the course community discussion forum. There's a link to frequently asked questions. And then we have the lessons and the assignments. So let's open up lecture 1. So here you will be able to see the video. You can see the code used with this lecture. You can just scroll down and see it, or you can see each mini tutorial on its own page by clicking on these links. So I'm just going to open up the first link. So now